My name is James. My friends call me Redway. I'm a certified pro in Final Cut Pro. I'm going to show you the 10-step process that I've used to sell music videos to major record labels. Step 1, back your data up. As soon as you get hold of some footage, whether it's a memory card or an external hard drive, you want to go ahead and make a copy of it. Here comes step 2. Review, trim, and sort your footage. The process that I prefer is double-clicking each video file, skimming, and even playing some of the video to see what's there. I'll then go back and add a tag, either B-roll or A-roll. Now the A-roll is going to be the performance. On set, the videographer will be playing the audio track, and that's what the artist performs to. It's very important that the camera that's recording the video also records that audio. This helps with the sync of the music video and all of its takes. Trimming the performance takes ensures that we have only performance seen when we go to create our multi-camera clip later. Step 3, launch Final Cut and import your footage. In an effort to stay organized before anything gets imported, go ahead and create a new library. Change the default event to something global so that way we can create the project under it. And then create an event per scene. This particular music video only has one scene, the loft. Now we can import our footage. Make sure you have the right event or scene selected, that keywords from Finder tags are checked, and then we highlight the appropriate clips and select import selected. You're gonna need to import your audio track too. Step 4, the initial exposure and color changes. My goal at this step is to try to make the footage look as normal as possible for the next step of actually cutting the scenes. This clip just needs a highlight and a shadows adjustment. This particular clip will need a LUT and some exposure adjustments. This is not the final coloring. Near the end of the video, I will add some more changes to kind of make the colors pop and do a little bit more. Step 5. Step 5 is making your multicam clip. Oh yeah. Select all of your clips and your audio track. Control click or right click, new multicam clip. Name it. Make sure the angle assembly is clips before you synchronize it. And then you're going to want to open it up and make sure the sync is perfect. Audio track and the video files. Step 6, bring that multicam clip to the timeline and optimize it. Basically just drag the clip to the timeline. Controller right click on it, select active audio angle, make sure it's your audio track. Trim it however you need it. Once it's trimmed, you go ahead and right click or control click again and say detach audio. It's very important. When you start cutting, it will change to that particular clip's audio if you don't detach it. Step 7, start cutting your performance scene. Click view, show angles, and the angles will pop up here on your left side. Super powerful feature in Final Cut Pro for performance-centric music video. Goal here is look for the action. Look at all your angles and see what's the best cut. That's it. Next is step 8. Step 8, B-roll, titles, copyright, and effects. Can't forget effects. Once you have your video cut the way that you like it, find B-roll that adds to the storyline or the music line. Same with the effects. As I was adding B-roll to create this intro sequence, you can see that I put it 50%. I did that to help build the anticipation before the beat kicks in and kind of like the hook starts. Step 9, we can finalize this entire edit. You basically highlight everything, control click or right click, new compound clip, and that gives us control for like a global change. Experiment. This is what I did to this video. I chose these 4. Step 10, export your footage. And the way we do that is File, Share, and then you can choose the format that you need to deliver in. I actually use compressor, so I send to compressor. If you need to deliver anything that requires subtitles, you'll need it. So there you have it, 1 through 10. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it in the comments. Go give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, click the little bell icon so you can be notified when new content gets uploaded.